sir, I know of Alice Go.
You
Could I
know,
add to the question of SP Pro Tempore? Ever mo ba na-meet si Guo Huaping?
Yes, ma'am.
You have.
I have.
Ano yung mga circumstansya ng pag-meet nyo sa kanya? So you know her, not just know of her. Kasi paano kayo nag-meet?
Well, I met Miss Alice. The first time I met Miss Alice was in Indonesia
Mhm.
through a video.
Through a video.
Yes, ma'am.
Bakit mo siya na-meet through a video sa Indonesia? And why were you there?
Can I go back to how I went to Indonesia po?
Okay, kung context yun ng how you met Guo Huaping.
Prior to a few months or weeks prior to going to Indonesia, I was tapped to possibly talk to Alice,
Tapped by?
PNP, if it's possible to, because
Are
she
you a
was
member of
supposed,
the
Who is
PNP?
PNP, Madam Chair? PNP in particular.
Senator De La Rosa.
PNP in particular. Sino?
the intelligence group, sir.
Sino? Name?
Sir, it's the IG group, sir.
IG Group.
Yes.
Huh? But I have an information.
So
Member
no,
ba kayo
give
ng
us the name.
member
Give us
ba
the
kayo
name.
ng PNP-IG?
no, ma'am.
But
So, anong
we've
pangalan?
been waiting. Who is it?
General Macapas po.
Macapas?
General Macapas. So
So,
why?
paano nyo na-meet si Guo Huaping through General Macapas in
No,
Indonesia?
I did not meet Alice through General Macapas.
So,
I was informed.
how did you meet her?
I was tapped po kasi they know that I am a friend of Mayor Kalugay.
okay, friend kayo ni Mayor Kalugay.
Yes.
How
And
are you a friend of Mayor Kalugay?
I've met Mayor Kalugay 2022 through
How?
Dante Katabay.
Dante Katabay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, okay. How did
Madam
you...
Chair. Madam
Yes,
Chair. Rowan,
Senator De La Rosa.
can you confirm that? Mayor
Yes.
Kalugay? Mayor Kalugay? Can you confirm that? Kilala kayo?
Opo, Your Honor.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Senator De La Rosa. Salamat kayo. So, okay, so you met Mayor Kalugay through Dante Katabay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, baka gusto pa namin i-pursue yan. But continue muna, paano mo na-meet si Guo Huaping? At anong papel ni General Macapas?
No, they were just requesting if it is possible po kaya na, kasi there was a talk na mag-surrender po si Miss Alice.
Who's
So, so ang nangyari
Who's
po,
talk that she would
then,
surrender?
meron pong mga sa newspaper na magsusurrender po si Miss Alice. So meron na po kasing lumabas that time na warrant from your office.
From the Senate.
From the Senate po.
Mhm.
So I talked to Mayor Kalugay if there is a way for him to contact Miss Alice.
Bakit mo naisip na through Mayor Kalugay makokontakt mo si Guo Huaping? Anong pagkaalam mo sa ugnayan nila?
Sa pool.
Are they business partners, for example?
I don't think so.
Your Honor, I was told po that they had a relationship.
Told
Oh.
by?
Kasi po,
What kind of a relationship?
ang pagkakaalam ko po, sir, but I've never seen them together. But I will tell you, ang pagkakaalam ko po, that naging mag-on po sila. That's
Okay,
it.
so that's why you asked Mayor Kalugay paano kontakin si Guo Huaping.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
kinikilig to si Alice Go. Kita mo.
Natatawa pa
Guo
po yung
Huaping.
She's squirming on
Okay.
her.
Okay, sandali lang. You're not yet recognized to speak at this moment. So, Miss Maslog, After nagtanong kayo kay Mayor Kalugay, paano nyo kinontak si Guo Huaping?
Actually po, in fairness to Mayor Kalugay, he said po he does not want to involve himself.
Okay,
And
so
he
paano
has
nyo finally
no way.
na-contact si
He said
Guo
po,
Huaping?
he has no way of contacting Alice.
So paano nyo siya na-contact?
So what happened po was a so we backtrack and
Madam Chair. Madam Chair.
Senator De La Rosa.
Ah, gusto ko lang maklaro, Madam Chair. Paano ka nakapasok sa eksena? Were you the one who volunteered to General Macapas or Macapas approached you? Which is which?
aware po kasi sila na magkaibigan po kami ni Mayor Kalugay. That is the only reason po.
So, you mean to say, si General Macapas ang kumontak sa'yo na tulungan mo kami na mapasurrender si Alice Go.
Yes, sir.
Siya ang
We are actually, sir, I don't know how to explain it. We like kasi meron na nga pong warrant during the time po, sir.
Hindi. Ang tanong ko is, yung paano nag-start ito? Ikaw bang pumunta kay Macapas, nag-volunteer ka, or si Macapas pumunta sa'yo para humingi ng tulong sa'yo?
I wouldn't say they were asking for help. They were just saying po na if it is possible to contact the good mayor. If
Ikaw,
he knows
kalaruin natin,
po,
ikaw ang nilapitan ni Macapas.
yes, sir.
Why? Why in the world? Bakit ikaw pinunta ni Macapas?
No, sir, it is like what I said po, sir. They are aware of my friendship with the mayor.
So, meaning to say, matagal ka nang kilala ni Macapas.
Yes, sir.
Matagal ka nang kilala ni Macapas, ha?
Yes,
So, nilapitan ka niya para tumulong.
yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Madam Chair,
Salamat
if I may,
kayo,
I just-
Senator
I
De
just-
La Rosa. Senator
sorry,
Joel.
Madam Chair, because I'm not buying a lot of lies here. We have heard too much lies, Madam Chair. You were saying you were tapped by General Macapas. Why were you tapped by General Macapas? Do you have any extraordinary powers, skills? Bakit ikaw?
Like what I said, Your Honor, thank you for that question. It is because only they are very aware of my friendship with the mayor.
This is not Miss Universe, Miss Mary Ann Maslog. This is not Miss Universe. They can go straight to Mayor Kalugay. If they feel that he is a trustworthy public official, they can go straight to him. So, following your story, if General Macapa stopped you, you must have something no one actually has or possess that kind of skill. Because you were able to pull that thing that you were supposed to be dead for so long and now you're alive. So tell us, why were you tapped by General Macapas? And for what?
That's the only thing, Your Honor, like what I said,
Madam Chair?
because of my relationship with the mayor.
Hindi,
Senator De La Rosa.
hindi kaya ang unique na sitwasyon mo because meron kang kaso na textbook scam, kaya ka ginamit at ikaw no choice ka dahil parang hostage ka ng gobyerno dahil may kaso ka ng textbook scam. Kung hindi ka magpapagamit, tapos ka. O see that? Hindi nag-materialize ngayon. Ano? Huli ka. Huli ka, di ba? Huli ka ngayon.
In fairness to General Macapas po, he knows me as Jessica Francisco.
Okay. Did you visit Alice Go doon sa detention niya sa dito muna.
Senator De La Rosa, if I may, backtrack ng konti.
Backtrack ko.
Opo. Paano kayo nag-usap ni Guo Huaping sa Indonesia? Video call ba yon? O sino nag-arrange nun? Paano kayo nag-usap?
Your Honor, I went to Indonesia 2 times.
Uh-huh.
The first time po kasi was there was a talk that Alice is ready to surrender.
Okay.
So
Kaya
ano
po-
pakialam mo dun?
Punta ka Indonesia para kausapin si Alice Go. Hindi talaga, ano ba talaga pakialam mo dun?
Oo nga eh.
Ha?
Kanina, tinanong ko rin, PNP-IG member ba kayo?
CIA ka ba?
Hindi rin.
Remember ha, kahit
Senator
nakakulong
De La
ka,
Rosa.
you are under oath. Ha?
Yes.
You do not make up stories here.
I'm not
Madali kang
making up
mahuli dito.
stories, sir.
Kaya nga, bakit nag-iisip ka nga? Oh, ang tagal mo mag-isip. Simple question coming from Senator Joel Villanueva o ni si Senator Jingo Estrada. Anong papel mo doon? Bakit ka pumunta ng Indonesia para kausapin si Go Huaping? Anong papel mo? Sige.
Madam Chair,
You convince us.
Senator Sherwin.
this has no connection to your case. Ah.
Yeah.
Kaya pag hindi ka sasagot,
Mm-mm.
you can be
Cited.
cited in contempt.
At saka, who told you that Go Huaping was in Indonesia? Eh nung panahong
Oo nga.
yun, sinasabi pa ng PNP na
Nandito.
at ng law enforcement in general na hindi pa nila alam noon na umalis si Go Huaping. So, paano mo alam na nandun pala siya sa Indonesia?
Actually, Your Honor, that happened after your announcement.
So, you heard about it, General Makapas heard about it, or PNP-IG heard about it, and you're the person they sent to meet her in Indonesia?
No,
So what happened? Paano mo nakausap si Guo Huaping sa Indonesia? Was it face-to-face? Was it a video call? How did you do it?
there was a pre-talk po here because
By video?
No,
No.
dito pa po sa Pilipinas, Your Honor, before
Face
we
to
went to
face.
Indonesia. No, Your
No.
Honor. It was through a telephone call.
Okay.
It was through a telephone call that she signified na surrender po siya.
Okay.
Then, during the time po, when she signified na magsusurrender po siya, sabi niya, susulat daw muna siya. She will write everything daw po muna.
Right what?
Kung ano ang the real story
Uh-huh.
bago po siya mag-surrender.
Okay.
Para po, if something happens to her, then may makakaalam.
What something would happen to her?
I don't know, Your Honor, but
Mhm.
that was the words during the time po.
May makakaalam.
Yes po.
And
So,
then,
we did not know that she was in Indonesia. She
Who-
was
we, PNP-IG and General Macapas and you?
I actually keep in touch with
With whom?
with the lawyer, Your Honor.
Okay. Attorney David. Okay.
Yes,
And
Your
then?
Honor. And we really tried our best na sana mag-surrender siya kasi gusto naman po talaga daw niyang mag-surrender.
Madam Chair,
Okay.
time out.
Yes, SP Pro Tempore.
Who are you to mediate? Who gave you the authority to go to Indonesia and talk to Alice Go?
Actually, we were not the first time po, Your Honor, we were not able to talk to Alice Go.
Yes.
The first-
You told me that you told us, the committee, that you went to Indonesia
Yes,
Correct?
Your Honor.
just to
Yes.
talk to Alice Go and
For
let
her
her
to surrender po. Yes,
Yeah.
Your Honor.
Yes. Who are you nga to do so? Who are you to mediate? Did Secretary Abalos or the Chief PNP give you the go signal to talk to her? I don't think
No,
so.
no, sir.
So who gave you the go signal to talk to her? You being a private
Civilian.
citizen. You're not even connected in any government agency here. Correct?
Yes, Your
So who gave you the go signal to talk to her, to go to Indonesia, just to talk to her for her surrender?
Well,
Huh?
I was just helping, Your Honor.
Excuse me?
You were what? You were just helping.
You are just helping who?
My
It's a
goodness.
very
Helping who,
sensitive
Madam Chair?
case.
Helping
Senator
who?
De La Rosa.
This is too much lie, Madam.
Helping who?
I am not lying, Your Honor.
O si you
Who is
helping who?
helping?
Sino? Sino tinutulungan mo?
You know why you're lying? You keep on telling us baloney information. You said you were top because you're friends with Mayor Kalugay. Now you don't need Mayor Kalugay to talk to her because apparently you've been talking to her before you went to Indonesia.
Speaking
Only
of
on a chal-
Indonesia, just a minute, could we ask the BI to confirm
Sir,
si Miss Maslog ba, or using the name of Francisco, pumunta ba siyang Indonesia at that time?
We will verify your.
Please po, and if possible, Commissioner, during this hearing, Senator Sherwin?
Madam Chair, just to remind the body, itong taong to, 26 years ago, nagnakaw ng 24 million, nagpanggap ng namatay para hindi siya makulong, tumakas sa Amerika, at ngayon bumalik dito, at bigla nilang himala, gustong tumulong. Dapat maalala natin na kung buhay pa ito, nakakulong na ho ngayon, 26 years ago.
Ba't ka nagpanggap na patay ka na?
Pro tempore.
Ba't ka nagpanggap na patay ka na? Para matakasan mo yung kaso, ganun ba? Yun na sigurong solusyon. Nagpanggap na patay ka na. Sagot. Come on. The answer.
Miss Maslog?
That case still pending, sir, in Sandigan Bayan, sir.
While you are considering or reconsidering your answers to us, so Attorney David, based din sa sinabi ni Miss Maslog, alam nyo at that time na Guo Huaping was out of the country already kasi nag-uusap kayo nagsusubok kayo ni Miss Maslog, kumbinsihin siyang surrender. Please come to the mic, Attorney.
No, your Madam Chair, hindi po. Nalaman ko lang ho nung nahuli yung dalawa.
Nung nahuli sina Cassandra Leong at Sheila Guo.
Yes, yes. Ma'am.
So before that was when Miss Maslog was supposedly together with you convincing Guo Huaping to
because
surrender.
yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Madam Chair, because she was coordinating with me and I was also coordinating with her for the surrender. Kasi si Alice wanted to surrender even during those days pa. Pero takot nga because of the threat. So fortunately, they came to me. So yun, there was a negotiation for the surrender. Until I learned that, yun na nga, sabi niya ni Madam Jessica na nasa ibang bansa, hindi ko maalala kung saan. But na-intercept na yung dalawa. So I called her. Is it true na-intercept? Yun, kaya sabi ko, kung talagang nalaman ko for the first time nasa abroad sila.
Madam Chair, if I may lang,
Senator Joel.
just on that, attorney,
Attorney,
sorry,
please.
why were you trusting her? Why were you talking to her?
Well, as mentioned by her, she was with top brass of the PNP. How can I not trust her?
Top brass. Sabi niya
did you know her
PNP
before?
IG.
Did you know her before?
No,
Yes, Mr.
no, Your Honor. I met her during the. They came to me.
Nung nagka-problema na.
They came to me and they wanted to negotiate with the surrender of Alice, Mayor Alice.
So according to the question of Senator Villanueva, did you trust her? Naniniwala ka kagad?
I trusted her because she was with top PNP brass.
Yung sinasabi niya si General Makaspak?
Yes.
Kapas?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
So she's with him, with General Macapas, when he
Yes,
talked,
yes,
they
sir.
talked to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Wow.
So, Miss Jessica, can you complete the story? Paano mo nakausap si Guo Huaping dun na sa Indonesia?
Actually, it's on the second, na po, yung nahuli na po si Miss Alice. And
So, paano nangyari?
I really would like to request for an executive session.
Madam,
No.
executive sessions are for matters of national security. You're in this deep already sa pag-narrate nyo sa amin. You might as well not, huwag nyong paiksian yung PC ng mga miyembro ko sa komiteng ito, buuin nyo na yung kwento nyo. Dahil kayo naman po nagsimulang magsabi that on the second trip, you were able to talk to Guo Huaping.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kompletuhin nyo na kasi
Okay, Your Honor.
pag napitin, mas nakakagalit.
Okay, Your Honor. On the first time po na nandoon kami, no, we were not able to see Miss Alice Guo. So hindi po siya nag-surrender. There was no communication. of
Anong
Alice.
petsa yon?
I cannot remember. po,
Was
Your
that August also? Was that July?
That was few days, I think few days prior to ano po, yung I cannot remember, Your Honor. I can
Few
check
days
on
prior to what?
no, after pala po sa the first time, if I remember right, was nung nahuli pala yung magkapatid po.
Sina Sheila Guo at
Yes.
Cassandra Leong.
Yes po.
And
That was
then,
the first, no. The second was a week after po.
a week after.
Nung nahuli na po si Alice.
But before siya nahuli or after siya nahuli?
That was that day na nahuli po siya.
Okay, so paano nangyari?
I got a call po. I got a text from Indonesia po na
Who
mahuli
texted you from Indonesia?
yung ano po, yung sa tawag nito, yung
Ano?
in charge po, yung nakahuli po kay ano.
What?
kay-
Sino?
An Indonesian law enforcement officer texted you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Really? Are you kidding?
Sa bayang bigkasan
Alam
na
mo,
tayo,
alam mo.
SP Pro Tempore.
Alam mo, Marian, mas sinungaling ka pa rito kay Alice Go eh.
Sir, I can show you the text messages.
Okay, show
po.
it to us.
Show us the
I
text.
don't have the phone, sir.
So how did you have direct communications with not just Filipino, with an Indonesian law
Because
enforcement officer?
we were there the first time nga po eh.
And how
we-
did you establish that contact with the Indonesian law enforcement
I was
authorities?
with IG po when I went there to get, nandoon po yung mga pulis din po ng Indonesia.
So IG, you're claiming that PNP IG introduced you and Indonesian police to each other?
It wasn't an introduction po. Magkasama lang po kami during the time.
But magkasama
Doon po
kayo
kami nagkakilala po.
and you exchange numbers.
Yes po.
Madam,
So you had that communication line. Senator De La Rosa.
Madam Chair, I was a former chief of staff of IG. I became the deputy director for operations of intelligence group, IG. I became a deputy director for administration of intelligence group. How come in the world na nahuli na si Alice Go doon? Kaya kailangan ka pa dalhin ni Makapas doon sa Indonesia para kumbinsihin si Alice Go? I don't see any logic. Wala ako nakikitang intelligence value sa presensya mo, sa papel mo doon. Bakit ang IG gagamitin ka? Huli na siya eh. Huli na siya. Bakit ka kasama sa IG? Wala akong nakitang intelligence value sa'yo. Siguro ang intelligence value sa'yo kung magamit ka for any other reasons na pwede kang gamitin.
Your Honor, the instructions po is this.
Sino ang nagbigay ng instructions?
Sa PNP po,
Sino?
si General Macapas.
Anong instructions niya?
Na sana umuwi that she will, kung pwede siya kausapin, na
Oo, yun na. Huli ka. That she will at kung pwede siyang kausapin. Alam mo,
no, that's
matagal
what
na
I'm saying.
kung pulis, ikaw, sinungaling ka.
No.
Napakasinungaling mo. Gumagawa ka ng istorya ngayon. Meron kang tinatago. Hindi kita papalabasin dito sa session roll ito kahit na hawak ka na ng NBI. Tilio, hindi kita papalabasin dito sa session roll ito.
Sige.
Kung hindi ka
Madam
magsabi
Chair,
ng totoo.
Sige,
Yun
sige,
na
tuloy
nga
mo-
po.
SP Pro Tempore.
Tuloy mo yung kwento mo. She will what?
That kung pwede po, that she will surrender to PNP.
Miss Maslog, baliktad na yung sequence of events. Sinabi na ni Senator De La Rosa, at the time of your second trip para kausapin si Guo Huaping, arestado na siya.
Yes,
No
Your
choice na siya na bumalik dito, which is what happened. So wala nang kayong mission na pa-surrenderin siya kasi huli na nga siya. So ano yung agenda nyo sa pagkausap sa kanya?
Actually po, Miss Go Wapping and Alice Go po, you can ask po. She has a lawyer po doon sa Indonesia.
Just a
and-
minute, before you continue, Ms. Maslog, about the lawyer in Indonesia, General Macapas will be joining us online. So we will be able to fact check with him this amazing story. Please continue.
If I
Senator
may
Joe.
also just put into the records, no, the Senate already gave time in 2000 and 2000 in year 2000. In year 2000, and the Senate found her liable. The same person, Madam Chair, Mary Ann Maslog. The Senate found her liable for false testimony, corruption of public officials, punishable under the revised penal code, violation of the anti-graft law, violation of Presidential Decree number 46, which makes it punishable for private persons to give gifts to government officials and employees on any occasion, falsification of public document, and tax evasion. So, Madam Chair, hindi ko alam kung we need to give more time to this rascal, Madam Chair.
Thank
Madam-
you,
Madam Chair.
Senator Joel. Yes, Senator De La Rosa.
Madam Chair, I don't know how to deal with this kind of resource person, pero alam mo, I suspect nandoon ka, pupunta ka sa Indonesia because somebody is using you for an irregular operation. Kang lingo-lingo dyan, I am sure. Somebody is using you. I suspect. Ano? Ano masasabi mo ngayon?
Ms.
No,
Maslog.
Ha?
No, Your Honor.
No?
No, Your Honor.
Sigurado ka?
Yes, Your Honor.
Huwag mo ako lukuhin. Huwag mo ako lukuhin.
I am not, Your Honor.
I have the goods against you. I have the goods against you. But, Madam
Yeah.
Chair, next, I will pin you down. I will pin you down. I tell you. I will pin you down. I will pin you down. I am sure about it. I will pin you down. Huwag mong gamitin yung pagkamaro mo. Kung dumaan ka na, namatay ka na noon at ngayon bigla kang nabuhay at ngayon ginagamit ka for irregular operations against us. You cannot, hindi ka makakalusot sa akin. I tell you. I tell you. Madam Chair, thank you.
Madam Chair.
Salamat kayo, Senator De La Rosa. Before I call the SP pro tempore, I have confirmation na pumunta ngang Indonesia si Ms. Maslog. But I will wait for that officially on the record from the BI. SP pro, sorry,
Just
if I may,
quickly,
Senator Sherwin
sino
and then
nagbayad
SP
ng
pro
ticket
tempore.
mo, Miss Maslog? Sino nagbayad ng ticket mo nung una at sino nagbayad ng ticket mo nung pangalawa? At tumira ka ba doon sa Indonesia? Sino
We-
nagbayad ng hotel mo?
We only stayed there, sir, for 1 day, sir.
Balikan.
2 days po. 2 days.
So,
Opo.
sino nagbayad ng ticket mo?
I-refund po ng ano po, ng government po.
Sinong government? Sinong government?
The government, ticket mga
Alam mo,
Philippine
Hirap.
government?
hirap nga ang IG magpadala ng ahente pupunta sa ibang bansa. Ikaw pa na you are not a part of IG, hindi ka organic ng IG, kagastusan ka ng IG. Kaya the more kami nagsususpek na meron ka talagang ibang pakay doon. Meron kang iba. Ha?
Okay.
Madam Chair,
Yeah.
Madam Chair, can I move forward for a while? A little bit.
You certainly may, Senator De La Rosa. But
Mayroon
before-
akong information na bumisita ka doon sa kulungan ni Alice Go dito sa Pilipinas. Bumisita ka?
Yes, sir.
How many times?
2 times.
Anong purpose mo doon?
First, sir, tinatanong ko po siya sa mga statement po na ginawa po niya, sir.
May ginawa siyang statement?
No, not a statement. What I'm saying, we were talking about ano po sa kanya, yung uh,
Sinungaling.
how do you say it, yung kung ano po ang nangyari sa kanya.
Ano ang pakialam mo sa kanya?
Speaker pro tempore.
Klaruhin ko na lang sa'yo, ha? Ha? For the record, meron kong informasyon, ha? Na you are being used para papirmahin si Alice Go ng affidavit. Affidavit na magtuturo na si President Duterte, si Senator Bongo, si Senator Bato, si General si IDG, General Karamat ay nasa likod ng pugo. Merong tao from Malacanang nag-uutos sa'yo. Meron akong information. I can pin you down, my God. Ha? Huwag kang pailing-iling dyan. Alam pong informasyon na yan. Is that correct?
No,
Anong
sir.
purpose mo? Bakit ka pupunta doon kay Alice Go? 2 beses ka pumunta. Anong purpose mo doon? Be, sige.
At sino kasama mo?
Like what I said, sir, ang kasama ko po pagpunta doon sa Indonesia ay IG po.
Ang
We have
tinatanong ni
General Macapas online
Sen.
to
Bato,
cross-check.
sino ang kasama mo pumunta sa kulungan ni Alice Go? Yun ang tanong ko.
Ako lang po, tsaka ang si attorney po.
Hindi ka papapasukin doon na ikaw lang.
Alam mo, galing ako dyan eh.
Tuktok mo.
Galing ako dyan sa custodial eh. Mahirap makapasok dyan. At sino ka para makapasok doon? Ang makakapasok lang doon, abogado, pare, kamag-anak, doktor.
O opisyal.
Ikaw, ano relasyon mo sa kanya? Doktor ka ba?
No, sir.
Pari ka ba? O ano ka ba?
No, sir.
O ano?
I don't have a
Abogado ka ba?
No, sir.
O paano ka nakapasok? Who initiated the meeting? And how did you enter the custodial center?
The first time po na pumasok po kami doon, I was still with IG po.
So at this point, I think we should ask General Macapas dahil online na sila. We need to fact check so many of these things na sinasabi ni Ms. Maslow. General Macapas, online na po kayo, nakikita namin kayo. Pwede nyo pong buksan yung audio ninyo so we can hear you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Your Honor.
General. General, hindi pa kayo nakapagsumpa, no? Dito sa hearing namin.
Yes, Your Honor. Wala pa po.
Okay, Comsec, pakipasumpain si General.
Sir, please.
Paano to siya nakakuha ng linya doon sa Indonesian National Police without your knowledge na ikaw mismo ang handler? Bakit nakadirekta siya doon? Tinitext daw siya ng Indonesian authorities na huli na namin si Alex Go. Andito na. Ikaw hindi mo alam. You're the IG director, I suppose. But ngayon, saan ka na ba ngayon?
Currently, sir, I am still holding the IG, sir.
IG ka
kalalabas-
pa rin. Pero
Ah.
you're incoming RD
RD Barm, sir. Yes, sir. Opo.
ng
Barm, sir. Yes, sir.
farm. Congratulations.
Thank you,
Very
sir.
good accomplishments.
Yes,
You're
sir.
from IG, you're now RD. That's quite
Yes,
a
sir.
big feather on your cap. Congratulations, Ewa. Congratulations. Pero my question remains, paano nangyari na ikaw ang agent handler ng isang action agent na siya nang dumidirekta doon nakipag-connect sa Indonesian National Police? Ikaw na blind ka.
I have no idea, sir, actually. Kasi pumutok yung balita, sir, na nahuli si Alice Guo 7 o'clock in the morning sa TV natin. During that time, sir, nakipag-Zoom conference na po kami with the Indonesian authorities. Kasama ko po si Chief PNP, pati yung contacts namin sa counterpart natin dito, yung attaché nila dito, pati yung Indonesian Police. Hindi po kami dumaan kay Ma'am Jessica. Alam namin na alam namin na nahuli na Indonesian police sir ang nagsasabi sa amin. Ngayon yung si Ma'am
Di ba,
Jessica,
sandali. Di
Yes,
ba, during the previous hearing, kinongratulate pa kita, pinagmayabang pa kita sa committee
Yes,
na
sir.
yung IG nagtatrabaho yan kahit na walang intelligence fund. Di
yes,
ba?
sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, dahil kayo, sa buong Pilipinas, kayong unang nakakaalam that Alice Go has left the country already.
August 14 pa lang,
August 14.
Senator De La Rosa.
Exact, Madam Chair.
Yes, sir.
Di ba?
Yes,
O kayo ang nakauna nakakaalam na nahuli ay nakalawas na pala.
Yes, sir.
Inongratulate kita.
Yes,
Mga
sir.
job
Thank you, sir.
dyan. O ngayon, itong agent mo, hindi mo na na-handle ng properly. So, there is an agent mishandling in this case. Bakit siya nakakadirekta doon sa Indonesia National Police? Or, meron kang alam na mas mabigat na trabaho na ibinigay dito kay Miriam Maslog, kaya wala kang control sa kanya because somebody above you is controlling Miriam Maslog. I have an information. You cannot deny to me. I have a very, very accurate information na siya ay inuutusan ng somebody from Malacanang para papirmahin si Alice Go ng affidavit implicating President Duterte, Senator Bongo, Senator Bato, and General Karamat as the people behind the operation of Pogo. I have a very, very A1 information.
Sir, if I may, Your Honors,
Yes, General.
Yeah.
as to the connection of Ma'am Jessica to the Malacanang, sir, wala po akong alam dyan. Kasi ang pinag-usapan lang talaga namin, sir, ay yung whereabouts lang ni Alice.
Pero if I may interject, Senator De La Rosa, meron ding baliktad na sinabi si Miss Maslog sa amin kanina na sumama siya sa inyo nung naaresto na si Guo Huaping sa Indonesia, na pareho pa rin daw ang mission niya na kumbinsihin si Guo Huaping mag-surrender. Huli na nga, arestado na nga, no choice na babalik talaga sa Pilipinas. So, bakit kasama pa siya dun sa pangalawang trip nyo sa Indonesia?
Your Honors, please, the second time na kinuha namin si Alice, right after nung nalaman yung pumutok sa media na aresto na si Alice, Doktora Jessica called me up. Ang sabi niya, pupuntahan niya si Alice. Kasi during the time, Your Honors, nag-arrange na po si Secretary Abalos na kukunin namin sa Indonesia. Hindi po siya kasama. We were on our trip, si Secretary Abalos, si Chief PNP, ako, pumunta ng Indonesia on a private plane, yung contact ni Secretary Abalos po. So, hindi ko alam kung kailan siya pumunta doon at hindi
Pumunta
ko
siya
alam.
ng mag-isa niya, sir. Hindi kasama ninyo.
Hindi po, Your Honors. Hindi po namin siya kasama.
Sino nag-authorize sa kanyang pumunta? At bakit siya pinayagang pumunta at sumama?
Hindi po namin siya kasama, Your Honors. The second time na kinuha namin si Alice, hindi po namin siya kasama.
Madam Chair.
Pero
SP
nakita siya doon.
Before I call
Nakita siya
SP
doon.
Pro Tempore, si Senator Sherwin kanina pa. And then
Madam Chair,
SP Pro
quick
Tempore.
interjection lang. General, bakit hindi kayo dumiretso kay Attorney David? Halos araw-araw nasa TV siya. Kung kami nga nakakadiretso kay Attorney David, pag iinimbitahan namin dito, bakit hindi pa kayo dumiretso doon at nakinig pa kayo sa isang pugante?
Your Honors, ganito po. Wala po kasi akong personal talaga na kontak kay Attorney David.
Sa laki ho ng PNP, Intelligence Group, hindi ba ho niyo pwedeng diretsang i-access na lang po si Attorney David? Pangalawa, Intelligence Group po kayo. Ang kausap niyo ho, pugante ho to. Nagnakaw ng 24 million. Nagpanggap na patay at tumakbo sa Amerika. At ngayon, ginagamit niyo siya. Criminal ho to. Bakit hindi niyo na-detect as Intelligence Group?
Your Honors, please, we came to know only nung sinare na yun ng information ng NBI with us kung sino siya. Wala po. Initially,
Parang-
hindi po namin siya nakilala, Your Honor.
Parang ang ano ko ang napipick up ko ho dito, naisahan ho kayo.
Pare-pareho kayong na-scam.
Kayo
Big
nga
time.
intelligence pero siya pa may matibay na intelligence kung paano ho kayong lokohin.
Big time na isahan kayo.
Madam
Kasi
Chair.
sabi ni, before I call SP Pro Tempore, sabi ni Ms. Maslog kay Attorney David, may kilala daw siyang PNP top brass. Pero sabi naman niya sa PNP, may contact siya kay Guo Huaping. So, pareho kayong na-scam. SP Pro Tempore.
Hindi na scam, Madam
General.
Chair. Sa akin, hindi na scam. yung
Ibig mo
PNP.
sabihin lahat
Hindi
pa ng
ganun kabubo yung intelligence group na may scam.
Okay,
I know.
thank you,
There's
Senator De La Rosa.
Something heavier,
Yung
something
tinatanong niya,
bigger behind.
pending pa
everything.
yun.
Hindi yan ganyan.
May ibang index
Basta-basta. Hindi basta-basta
May
maloko
ibang
ang
index
intelligence
pa.
group. Napakagaling ng mga tao dyan. Diyan na yan nag-start maging police sa intelligence group hanggang mag-retire dyan na yan. Kaya hana, ano yan, very sharp intelligence operatives yung mga tao dyan. I don't think na naisahan sila.
Okay, pending pa yung
Thank you,
tanong niyo,
Madam Chair.
Senator De La Rosa. SP Pro Tempore.
General, ibig sabihin lahat ng mga sinasabi nitong si Marian Maslog, you consider it as gospel truth?
No, sir.
General.
Huh?
No, sir.
Ano yung mga pinaniwalaan nyo? Bakit mo siya masyadong pinagkakatiwalaan?
Actually, sir, naniwala lang ako sa kanya as to sa case ni Alice. Kasi siya po ang nagdala sa akin sa harapan ni Attorney David. Kaya from there, kung anong sinasabi ni, anong mga information na kailangan ko kay Attorney, kay Alice, through her lawyer, nagtatanong ako sa kanya.
Alright. General, paano mo nalaman na itong si Jessica Francisco si Mary Ann Maslog?
It was shared to me,
Kailan?
Your Honors, it was shared to me during one of your hearings sa Congress, I think, na hinahuli nila si Ma'am Jessica because of illegal use of alias.
Didn't you exercise or conduct due diligence? Ha? Masyado mo pinagkatiwalaan ito? Namatay na, nabuhay pa?
No, Your Honors. Nangyari po yung nalaman namin na iba pala ang identity niya, nahuli na po si Alice.
O ngayon, pagkakatiwalaan mo ba siya?
Since then, Your Honors, hindi na po kami nag-contact sa kanya actually.
Hindi, ngayon, at lumabas na lang pagsisinungaling niya, pag-i-scam niya. Alam mo, ano ito con artist to Sa scammer to the max to. Pagkakatiwalaan mo pa ba?
With the prevailing circumstances, Your Honors.
At isa pa, at ano, please.
General.
With the prevailing circumstances, Your Honors, na napanood ko ngayon, access denied na po yan pag ganun.
Access denied. Sa mga napanood niya dito ngayon sa
Can I-
hearing.
Okay, last question, General. Ang sabi ni Mary Ann Maslog, nung bumisita siya kay Alice Go sa custodial, ikaw daw ang nagsama sa kanya sa custodial. Is it true?
The first time na pumunta sila with Attorney David, yes, I facilitated na binisita nila siya with Attorney
Were-
David po.
Were you the one instrumental in letting her enter the custodial center in Camp Crame?
The first time, yes, Your Honor.
Did you talk to the guards there?
Yes, Your Honor. Actually, we registered, Your Honor.
Okay, the second time around,
I was
were you
not there
instrumental?
already.
Huh?
Wala na po ako. Sa second time, hindi na po.
How did she enter custodial without your go signal? How did you enter, Marian? The second time
Ms.
around.
Maslog.
Actually po, that day I informed General Macapas na babalik po ako sa loob po.
No, the general just said hindi niya alam na pupunta ka sa custodial sa pangalawang pagbisita mo kay Go Huaping.
He actually know, ma'am.
Oh, alam mo
I
daw,
texted-
General,
I texted
masapak.
him.
Masapak, ano?
Makapas, General Makapas.
Makapas, masapak.
Yes, sir.
Makapas.
Your Honor, please. Ang aware ako na sinamahan ko sila the first time, minsan lang.
Yung second time daw, alam mo, sabi ni Marian,
Ay, hindi na po ako,
Eh,
hindi ko alam.
May-
Madam Chair, Senator Jinggoy,
Senator De La
just
Rosa.
one. General Macapas,
Yes, sir.
anong purpose mo? Bakit mo sinamahan doon?
As I have said,
Bakit mo
sir,
sinamahan? Anong purpose?
as I have said, sir, they were the first people na nakunta ko po para ma-aresto ko si Alice. So,
Tapos na, na-aresto na eh.
Yes,
Wala
sir.
na.
Yes,
Wala
sir.
na. Oh, nakakulong
Out
na
of-
si Alice ngayon sa kulungan. What's your business going to Alice Go? Anong purpose mo doon? Bakit kayo pinuntahan niyo? Kasama mo si Maslog.
Sir, if I may, Your Honors, out of gratitude lang, sir, sa tulong ni Attorney David, through them, nakuha ko si Alice.
Gratitude.
General, wag naman.
Mas
Hindi po gratitude. Professionals po kayo.
na
Oo, hindi po ito usapin ng utang na loob. You did your jobs. It was a job well done. Sorry
Yes,
to
Your Honor.
interject, Senator De La Rosa, pero gratitude, ngayon lang ako nakarinig ng ganyang salita
This
in
is
this context.
ridiculous.
Please proceed, General Senator De La Rosa.
May I
Yeah,
just,
please go ahead. You
interject?
Senator Joel.
Yes, Madam Chair. General, doon sa Indonesia, yung pag-aresto kay Alice, nakita mo si Mary Ann Maslog, General?
General.
Nakita mo siya?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Nakita ko siya doon sa Indonesia that time.
O, so nung nakita mo siya, hindi mo siya tinanong, teka lang, asset kita, bakit nandito ka? Nang hindi ko alam.
Actually, sir,
ibang usapan na ito.
Ang kinukuha ko sa kanya, sir, Your Honors, during the time na pumunta siya doon sa second time, nakita ko siya doon na sa may, I think,
General, simple lang ho yung tanong ko. Nung makita niyo siya, hindi niyo siya tinanong bakit siya nandun?
sinabi niya sa akin, sir, na pumunta siya, gusto niyang makita si Alice.
Wow.
Pwede po ba yon, General? At pumayag ba kayo?
May 100 million gusto ring lumipad doon eh. Papayagan nyo na pumunta din doon para makita?
Do, hindi namin siya pinayagan na makakita. Your Honors.
General, uulitin ko yung sinabi nyo. Gusto ho namin kayong paniwalaan pero medyo nagdududa na po ako sa inyo ngayon. Kasi sabi nyo, kaya nyo siya tinap dahil may access siya kay Attorney David na lahat ng media outlets dito sa Pilipinas may access kay Attorney David na i-interview na madaling ano. Tapos, itong masakit na sa tenga, pumunta siya ng custodial kung saan nandun si Alice Go, pinapasok nyo, sinama nyo, nandun ka at sabi mo, gratitude. Meron kang gustong mangyari doon, bakit mo siya pinapasok at kasama mo? At pangalawang beses, kung hindi mo siya binigyan ng authority at di mo siya binigyan ng poder para i-exercise yung kanyang kapangyarihan na tao mo siya, hindi siya makakapasok doon. Am I right? On the second time around. So what is it, General?
Your Honors, please, yung sa second time, hindi ko po talaga alam. Pero the first time, yes, alam ko, tumawag sila sa akin, nabibisitahin nila si Alice, kasama si Attorney David. Yes, Your Honors, hanggang doon sa
Why, General,
custodial.
why? You are saying kaya mo siya tinap para sa pagsuko ni Alice. That's what you're saying. Now na nandito na, arestado na, why? Why are you still cuddling her? Why are you still giving her all the powers and the benefits of being your special aid, Your Honor? Gusto naming maintindihan. So hindi na ang dahilan is maaresto si Alice, makuha si Alice, hindi na. Ano na ngayon? Ano na ngayon yung rason?
Sirs, can I, Your Honors, please, can I report directly to the Senate?
Report what, sir?
To the committee, Your Honors, can I request for?
Where are you?
You are speaking to the committee, General.
Can I request for what I mean is, Your Honors, an executive session.
No, no. No. No way.
General, patapos na sana kami sa investigasyong ito. And we expect sa mga katrabaho namin sa gobyerno, yung candor. Kasi, kumbaga, sa kasong ito, panalo ang gobyerno eh. So, dapat may transparency sa isa't isa para klaruhin lahat ng detalye ng nangyaring ito sa kaso ng POGOs at sa kaso ni Guo Huaping.